Do hybrids have catalytic converters? While the introduction of new powertrains has transformed which components make up a vehicle, catalytic converters are still used in both hybrid and traditional internal combustion engine, ICE, vehicles. What is a catalytic converter? A catalytic converter is a crucial element of a vehicle's exhaust system and functions by leveraging chemical reactions to convert engine pollution into a less harmful substance to the environment. This involves converting carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, and hydrocarbon into carbon dioxide, water vapor, and nitrogen. Since hybrid vehicles still use gasoline, they contain exhaust systems similar to traditional internal combustion engines. Thus, hybrids require catalytic converters for the same purpose. However, since battery electric vehicles, BEVs, do not use gasoline, they do not necessitate an exhaust system and thus do not use catalytic converters. Catalytic converters in hybrids. Not only do hybrids use catalytic converters, but their catalytic converters require a higher emissions standard than their non-hybrid counterparts. This is due to hybrid catalytic converters operating at a lower temperature since the combustion engine does not operate full-time. To mitigate the natural temperature difference, hybrid catalytic converters use precious metals including platinum, palladium, and rhodium. The value of hybrid catalytic converters. While there's been an increase in catalytic converter thefts for all vehicles, the greater volume of precious materials in each hybrid's catalytic converter makes them more valuable to thieves than the catalytic converters in conventional vehicles. The second-generation Toyota Prius, which was produced from 2004 to 2009, is particularly vulnerable to theft. This generation of the Prius saw theft claims increase 40-fold from 2016 to 2020. To highlight the difference in value between a hybrid and a non-hybrid vehicle's catalytic converter, the scrap price value for the 2004 to 2009 Toyota Prius was $1,022, whereas a 2007 Ford F-150 FX4 catalytic converter's recent scrap price was just. Hybrid catalytic converter theft prevention. Policymakers have worked at both the state and local levels to address the rise in theft of catalytic converters. While all 50 states have passed bills to prevent converter thefts, Ohio introduced a bill requiring proof of ownership to sell catalytic converters. Local communities have also increased awareness of the issue by launching anti-theft programs. Owners can take precautions to limit the likelihood of theft of their catalytic converters by etching their vehicle's VIN into its catalytic converter or by installing an anti-theft device. Other strategies to avoid theft are more behavioral. For instance, by parking closer to a wall or other cars, drivers limit a potential thief's access to underneath the vehicle. Parking in garages, in well-lit areas, and near entrances can further deter a thief. Toyota has taken note of the rise in catalytic converter theft and has introduced an optional protection package on their recently redesigned Prius. The hybrid can be ordered with a stainless steel CatShield trademark by Miller CAT that is made of 5052 grade stainless steel and includes a tamper-proof screw kit. In addition to being designed to protect the converter, it also adds corrosion resistance. This $200 optional shield can be installed by the dealer and provides peace of mind to Prius owners. Summary. Catalytic converters are a vital component in providing cleaner emissions for both hybrid and internal combustion engine vehicles. Hybrid catalytic converters operate at a lower temperature than their ICE counterparts and leverage precious metals to mitigate the temperature difference. While the value of these metals has made hybrids more susceptible to catalytic converter theft, there are precautions hybrid owners can take to reduce the risk. Please comment, subscribe and like.